What's up guys? So about like 2 weeks ago I made a video about my M340i and the FI 200 cell downpipe. Now that is for me the ultimate entry-level mold for this car, because you don't get any warning lights, it's just plug and play, and it offers more sound, a bit more power even, and it's fantastic, and it's not that expensive, also a big plus. Now if you want one of these molds, please go to Gijsbertsen BMW Specialist. We have teamed up with them and they provide the installation and the mechanical expertise needed to do these molds in a professional way, so that you don't get any stupid warning lights or trouble whatsoever. Now we've gone the next step. We now have the setup we have on our M3 G80. So that means we have an intake, 200 cell downpipe, and the full exhaust by FI, which sounds absolutely amazing. Now this is really why we know and love FI exhaust. The fitment is superb. The mechanics at Gijsbertsen told me that it's super easy to get it on and they don't have any trouble whatsoever. So it's a perfect fitment, and you also notice that when you start driving, because you don't get any little rattles or droning you sometimes get with an aftermarket exhaust. It is like a stock exhaust in a good way, like in the golden years, like an M Performance exhaust. It's like that. It sounds unbelievably good. It's just a 10. I hope you agree with me. Now of course this is an OPF vehicle, and that does require a bit of expertise, because the guys at Leib Engineering, big thanks to them, have developed a module that makes sure that you don't get any warning lights whatsoever. And that module was provided by GP Products, who is their importer for the Netherlands. Now this is a lot of stuff, but let's just say that if you want this package, if you want this sound for your M340i, your M440i, which I can imagine that you want that, just go to Gijsbertsen and ask for this package of 200 cell downpipe, full exhaust, and the Leib Engineering module, and they will help you, and you will drive home with one of the best sounding straight 6 engines ever.